What if I told you that you could go from $0 to making $10,000 online in just 30 days, even if you have no experience and no special skills? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's exactly what I did. And today I'm going to share my real journey step by step so you can see exactly how you can do this too. Make sure you watch until the end because this might just change your life. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where we talk all about money, how to make it, how to grow it, and how to create a life you love through smart online side hustles and passive income. If you're new here, my name is your name. I'm based in Ethiopia, and trust me, I know what it's like to start with absolutely nothing. A few months ago, I was just like you, watching videos, reading blogs, trying to figure out if these make money online ideas were real or just fake hype. I didn't have a lot of money. Actually, I started with exactly $0, a cheap smartphone and free internet at a local cafe. But I did have one thing, the belief that if other people can do it, I can too. So in this video, I'm breaking down how I went from $0 to $10,000 in 30 days. No gimmicks, no crypto scams, no get-rich overnight nonsense. This is exactly what worked for me, so grab a notebook because you're going to want to take notes. Before I show you how I did it, I want you to believe it's possible. I know how easy it is to scroll YouTube and think, that only works for people in America or Europe. But I promise you, location doesn't matter as much as you think. With the internet, you have access to millions of people who want to buy your time, your skills, or your ideas. The only question is, what can you give them that they need right now? When I started, I made one simple decision. I didn't want to waste money. I wanted to test online side hustles that I could do with no upfront cost. No expensive courses, no buying ads, just my time, consistency, and free tools. If I failed, I'd lose nothing but a few days of effort. But if it worked, I'd change my life forever. So here's the exact plan I followed. I call it my 3-step 0 to 10K framework. It's simple, but powerful. 1. Find what people already want and will pay for. 2. Offer it in a way that makes you stand out. 3. Scale up with free tools and repeat daily. Let's break down each step so you can see exactly what I did. First, I spent about 2 to 3 days just researching what people actually buy online. I looked at Fiverr, Upwork, and Facebook groups. I noticed that a lot of small businesses wanted simple things. Social media posts, logo designs, short videos, or even someone to just reply to DMs. These are tasks you can do even if you have no experience. You just need to learn quickly. For me, I realized I could do basic graphic design using Canva, which is free. I also practiced writing short blog posts using ChatGPT to help me edit. I didn't waste weeks learning. I just got good enough to deliver what people wanted. Remember, you don't need to be the best in the world. You just need to be one step ahead of someone who can't do it themselves. Here's the part most people skip, and that's why they fail. When you're new, you have no reviews, no clients, no proof that you're good. So instead of begging people to pay you, I did the opposite. I joined groups and offered to help for free, for just 1 or 2 jobs. For example, I designed a simple Instagram post for a small business owner. She loved it, and guess what? She paid me for the next 10 posts. The first free job is not working for free forever. It's like an investment. It gets you your first testimonial, your first referral, and your first confidence boost. Once you have a few happy clients, word of mouth does the rest. After I got a few paying clients, I needed to work faster and deliver more. This is where free tools changed everything. I used Canva for graphics, Google Docs for writing, and ChatGPT to edit my articles. I managed my time using Trello boards. I also made a simple Google form for people to order my services easily. By the second week, I was making $50 to $150 a day. Sometimes I'd get 3 or 4 clients at once. I didn't sleep much, but it was worth it. By the end of 30 days, my PayPal balance showed $10,263. I couldn't believe it. But it happened because I stayed consistent and kept learning. So maybe you're wondering, that's great for you, but what about me? What can I do? Here are a few real ideas you can start today. Freelance writing. Use ChatGPT to help you write articles or blog posts faster. Clients pay $20 to $50 per article on average. Simple graphic design. Use Canva to create social media posts, YouTube thumbnails, or simple logos. Virtual assistant tasks. Help businesses reply to emails, manage social media, or research. Sell AI-generated templates. Create templates for resumes, business cards, or social posts and sell them on Etsy or Gumroad. Affiliate marketing. Recommend tools or products you love on TikTok or Telegram. Earn a small commission when people buy through your link. You see, you don't need a huge investment. You need resourcefulness, consistency, and a little courage to talk to people and offer value. All right, here's what really made the difference for me. Over-deliver. Always give more than expected. Clients remember that. Follow up. Ask happy clients for referrals or testimonials. One happy client can bring you 5 more. Consistency. Work every day. Don't disappear after a week. Small daily progress compounds into big results. Now, I want to hear from you. If you made an extra $10,000 this month, what would you spend it on first? Comment below. I love reading your ideas. And tell me, which side hustle do you want me to break down in my next video? Drop a South emoji if you want a full tutorial. Remember, no one is coming to save you. If you want to change your life, you have to start now. Imperfect action beats waiting forever. Making money online is real, but it's not magic. It's about doing small, consistent steps that add up over time. If you got value from this video, please hit that like button, subscribe for more practical money tips, and share this with a friend who needs it. Stay focused, stay hungry, and I'll see you in the next one. Watch my next video on how to use AI tools to make passive income. It's linked right here. See you soon.